Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Acorns and Charles Schwab, two major players in the investment world. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or you're looking to switch platforms, this video will provide you with all the insights you need to make an informed decision. We'll cover their features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and wrap up with a balanced conclusion. Let's get started. Acorns is a micro-investing app designed to simplify investing for beginners. Its standout feature is the round-up system, which automatically invests your spare change from everyday purchases. For instance, if you buy a coffee for $2.50, Acorns rounds it up to $3 and invests the 50-cent difference. This passive approach makes investing feel effortless. Beyond roundups, Acorns offers Acorns Invest. It's an automated investing in diversified portfolios. Acorns Later. Retirement accounts like traditional, Roth, and SEP IRAs. Acorns Early. Custodial accounts to invest for your children's future. Acorns Checking. A checking account with a debit card that integrates seamlessly with your investment accounts. Acorns Earn. Cashback rewards from over 350 partner brands. And Acorns Learn, educational content to boost your financial literacy. Charles Schwab, on the other hand, is a full-service brokerage firm catering to both novice and seasoned investors. Established in 1971, Schwab offers a comprehensive suite of financial services. Brokerage accounts. Here you can trade stocks, ETFs, options, and more. Retirement accounts. Traditional, Roth, rollover IRAs, and 401k plans are available here. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Automated investing with robo-advisory services. Banking services. Checkings and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards are available in this section. And of course, research and tools. They have extensive resources to inform your investment decisions. The Schwab's platform is robust, offering both web and mobile access, and is known for its top-notch customer service. Now let us talk about the main features of the platforms. We start with Acorns. Acorns focuses on automation and simplicity. Automated investing. You can set it and forget it. That's the kind of approach they have, with recurring contributions. ESG portfolios. You can invest in companies that meet environmental, social, and governance criteria. Bitcoin exposure. You can allocate up to 5% of your portfolio to a Bitcoin-linked ETF. Family financial tools. You can manage your child's finances with Acorns Early and teach them money skills through interactive content. On the other hand, Charles Schwab offers a more hands-on experience. Commission-free trading. $0 commissions on online stock, ETF, and options trades. Advanced trading platforms. You have access to Think or Swim and Street Smart Edge for active traders. Fractional shares. You can invest in high-priced stocks with as little as $5 through Schwab stock slices. Comprehensive research. In-depth analysis, screeners, and educational webinars are provided. And personalized advice. You can work with financial consultants for tailored investment strategies. Now let us talk about the pricing. Acorns operates on a subscription-based model. There is the Bronze plan, which goes for $3 per month, the Silver plan, which goes for $6 per month, and the Gold plan, which goes for $12 per month. This offers full suite of saving, investing, and learning tools for you and your family. For Charles Schwab, there are different fees that are associated. The trading fees and commissions are here listed below. $0 online commission for listed stocks and ETFs. For options, there is a $0.65 charge per contract fee. For mutual funds, there is $0 on thousands of funds from Schwab Mutual Fund OneSource. And for bonds, there's also a $0 fee for online trading. There are lots of other fees and commissions that are attached that you need to understand. you can simply come to the pricing page on the website to find out more details. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the platforms. First, the pros of Acorns. User-friendly interface that is ideal for beginners. Encourages consistent investing through automation. Offers educational content to improve financial literacy. And the pros of using Charles Schwab: wide range of investment options and account types, advanced trading platforms for experienced investors, and extensive research and educational resources. How about the cons? Monthly fees can be high relative to small account balances. Limited investment options that are compared to traditional brokerages, and is less suitable for active traders that are seeking advanced tools. And the cons of using Charles Schwab? It may be overwhelming for beginners due to its complexity. Some services have higher minimum investment requirements, and personalized advisory services come with additional fees. So which is the best in 2025? Here's the summary. Acorns is an excellent choice for those who are new to investing, who prefer a hands-off approach. Its automated features and educational contents make it easy to start investing without feeling overwhelmed. On the other hand, Charles Schwab is better suited for investors seeking a comprehensive platform with a wide array of investment options and advanced tools. Whether you're a passive investor or an active trader, Schwab provides the resources and flexibility to manage your investment effectively. So bottom line is, your choice between the two depends on your investment goals, your experience level, and how involved you want to be in managing your portfolio. And that is on the comparison between Acorns and Charles Schwab. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Betterment, Robinhood, and Fidelity. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.